What's up, y'all? I'm coming at y'all today with a super simple air fryer recipe. Today I'm going to be making tikka masala mushrooms in the air fryer. This recipe is super delicious, and keep watching to see how I do it. Alright, so guys, I got these mushrooms from Aldi. I got this sauce from Aldi. I got the olive oil from Kroger, and I got the Adobo seasoning from Kroger. FYI. Right now, I'm going to pour the mushrooms in a little strainer because I'm going to remove all of the stems out. You don't have to do this, but in order for your tikka masala, and I don't know if I'm saying it right, tikka masala, in order for it to get in the mushroom, you just want to take that stem out. And I'm going to do that with all of these. And they should look like that. It's really easy. Alright, so I got all of the stems out of the mushrooms, and I'm going to give these a quick rinse. Some people don't like to rinse their mushrooms, but I do. I'm not going to have these in the water long, y'all. I'm just rinsing off some of this little dusty stuff. See? I don't want them to get all soggy and stuff. Just enough time to get them rinsed off. And we're done. Alright guys, so what I did was I put a paper towel underneath my strainer. And just to show you how easy this is, I'm going to take my olive oil and just put a little bit on top. This is about, I'd say, a tablespoon of olive oil. And toss them a little bit. You don't need much. And your adobo. This is to taste. You don't have to put much on there because the tikka masala is very flavorful. And I'm trying to save dishes, y'all, so I ain't got time to be doing all that. Alright, so now these are seasoned. Yes, indeed, I have my air fryer lined with some foil because I want to keep that sauce on there. In your air fryer, you want to go ahead and pour some of that sauce in the bottom. About a half a cup on the bottom like that. And start putting your mushrooms right in, right on top of the sauce. I'm putting them in upside down, y'all. This is the whole entire package of mushrooms. And you'll see why I'm putting them upside down in a minute. So go ahead and load this up. I got everybody in. Now I want to put about another half a cup of sauce on top. Like so. Take a spoon, y'all, and make sure everybody is sauced up. Keep in mind, y'all, that when we rinse those mushrooms off, it's going to help with that sauce so it won't be so thick. It's time to load them up. We're going to put this thing on 400. Let's see. It doesn't have a mushroom setting, so I'm going to just put it on like fish or something. And I'm going to put it on 400. And then I'm going to put it on 14 minutes. Boom. Put your strainer in the sink. And give your counter a wash. Because you didn't waste any extra dishes, okay? Alright. We're halfway through. I need to get these flipped over. This is what we got so far. You guys, don't mind all the noise in the background. It's a very busy night. But anyway, go in and flip all of your mushrooms over so that we can let them cook on the other side and whatnot. Okay, we're going to let them go for the rest of the way. Got 7 minutes left. And they are done. Ooh-wee. Look at that. You guys, keep in mind that all of this delicious sauce right here would be great on top of rice, potatoes, grits, you name it. Let's give them a taste. So I got one fixed up. Look at all the sauce, y'all. The first time I made these, I had some basmati rice. And if you guys are looking for a really good rice recipe, hit my channel up. These are extra hot, y'all. I'm blowing it off. Don't mind my paper plate. Y'all, this is a simple recipe, especially if you are vegan. You can do this for breakfast. Ooh. This sauce is so good. Where's my spoon? My spoon. Hold up. Alright, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I am getting ready to enjoy these mushrooms with some wine, okay? This is my appetizer for the night. And, yeah. So make this, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I will see y'all on the next one. Peace.